Hello everybody, welcome back for our English lessons for KG. Today we will study the main articles. These are a, an, and the. Now we will make stress on a and an. First, we must remember what we studied the previous lesson. We studied the vowels. Who remember what we said about the vowels? We have 5 vowels. What are these 5 vowels? These are A, E, I, O, and U. All other letters are called consonant. Okay? Let's see. If the word started with vowel, we must use an article. Let's see. Word like ant. Ant started with A. A is a vowel, so I will use an. This one, orange. Orange started with letter O. O is a vowel. We will use an. And I said an orange. An ant. Let's see this one, insect. Started with letter I. I is a vowel. Yes, it's one of the vowels. We will use an insect. Egg started with letter E. E is a vowel. We will use an egg. Umbrella started with letter U. We will use an umbrella. So if the word started with a vowel, the beginning letter, we mean the beginning letter. If the beginning letter is one of the vowels, one of the 5 vowels, we will use article what? Article an. If the word started with consonant, like hand, hand started with letter H. H is a vowel? No, H is not a vowel. H is consonant. We will use a hand. Leg started with letter L. L is not a vowel. We will use a leg. Bed started with letter B. B is not a vowel. We will use a bed. Fan started with F. F is not a vowel. We will use a. So we use an if the word started with a vowel. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, and U. If the word started with consonant letter, we will use a. Let's practice on a and an. Let's see these words. Word like ox. I need to answer with me. Okay. Ox started with letter what? Started with letter O. O is a vowel or not? O is a vowel. So I will use an. Apple started with letter A. A is a vowel or not? A is a vowel. We will use an apple. Leg started with consonant. L is not a vowel. We will use a. Arm started with letter A. A is a vowel. We will use an. Lion started with letter L. We will use a because L is a consonant letter. This article, the. Article the, when I mean something by itself. Let's see this. For example, if I have 5 apples, 4 of them are red and only one of them is green or blue. Only one of them is blue. 4 of them are red and only one is blue. If I need to mention the blue one by itself, I use the. Let's to see. Please bring me the blue orange or the blue apple. Please bring me the blue one. This is called apple, yes? In this case, I will say a or an? No, I will not mention an. I need this by itself, so I will use the. Let's to repeat again. Please bring me the blue apple. Bring me the blue apple as I mentioned it by itself. If I have 4 triangles, 3 of them are blue and 1 of them is red. If I need to mention this one, I need, please color the red one. Please color the red one. Okay, it's clear now? So, I need to make a conclusion of this lesson. A and an, these are articles. The difference between them, I use an if the word started with vowel. If the word started with consonant letter, I will use a. If I need to mention something by itself, I will use the. There are 5 apples. I have 4 of them are red and 1 of them is blue. When I say or I need to mention it, I will say, please bring me the blue one or the blue apple.